This is the cup of justice, invented by Pythagoras, the one who we know for triangles. He made this cup out of clay in around 500 BC to serve wine to his students. When you fill this cup within its marked limit, no problem, it works just fine. But if you try to exceed it, even by milliliters, all of the liquid inside until the base drains off, and literally there is no way to stop it. But how does it understand the limits, like when to behave like normal, and just by adding millimeters, how does it manage to drain all liquid out until the bottom? Well, in around 500 BC, there was no programming, neither electronics. It is based on pure mechanics. Let's untangle how it works. There is a simple container with a column in center of it. It has a U-bend inside, whose one end is open at the bottom of the container and other is open at the base of the cup. The limit mark to fill up the liquid is at the same height as the height of the parting wall in the U-bend. This cup works on the principle of siphon. When the liquid is poured in the container, it gets filled up. The forces acting upon the liquid are gravity pulling it down and the atmospheric pressure pushing the liquid surface. Until the limit, everything is usual and normal. But when excess liquid is poured, the bent section gets filled up. Now, as the liquid in this section does not have any base under it, it falls down due to gravity. This creates a low pressure zone here because there wasn't any gap in between the two water parts before, and it suddenly gets created. Both ends of the tube are closed by water, so there is no way for air to enter and fill up that space. As there are no molecules there, low pressure is created. Atmospheric pressure is more than this pressure, so the water gets sucked into this cavity. Again, there isn't any base for this newly sucked water, so it also falls down due to gravity. This process continues until all the liquid from the container drains out up to the base. While draining, even if you tilt the glass, you can't stop it because there is always some liquid at the tapering base, and tilting too much would spill the liquid the other way. So this is also called as greedy cup because you can't be greedy with it. When this cup is filled within limit, even if you tilt it, the liquid doesn't drain off as the column is located in center. Let's say you fill the liquid at this height and tilt it, the liquid will increase this way, but decrease that way. So mean height at the center column is always maintained, not letting any liquid drain. So cheers for mechanics. If you learned something new, check out other videos on our channel and subscribe for the new ones. Also make sure you hit the like button. If having any questions, feel free to mention them down in the comment section below. As of for now, I'm signing off and see you guys next week.